Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video yesterday on this, hearts around the circle, and I started thinking about it'd be really cool to change it after you've done it. And to do that, you would use the clone tool. If you go to edit and clone, double click on it, and we've still got a rotation. I'm gonna rotate it that magical 30. But then I can control D all the way around. This, if you look, is a control curve where this is just a clone curve. So this is our control. So I'm going to zoom in and we can do a lot with it. We could take the shape tool and we could elongate this and even change the axis. Look what it did over there. Now we could actually, I'm going to try to get where I can see both these. I could actually go to the Twirl tool and lightly twirl this and look at all the other twirls. And then quite possibly I could go the opposite direction and twirl this one. And look what it did. Of course, I'm not doing a great job of demonstrating what it could do because there's a lot you could do with it. Let me change that to 1 inch and just kind of twirl that in. And by doing that, it's going to twirl. That looks pretty ugly, but you get the idea. You could change the shape or the direction or the whatever of your heart. You know, you could do a lot. You could go way out into here and have that heart. Not that you would ever want to do that, but you could also, you know, make it shorter. There's probably some other tools you could use on the in the shape docker that you could use. Let's try the smear tool and just see what it does. See, like that, and look what it did to all the other ones. You know, you could change. Now that, see, I'm on the wrong one. I need to be working on this one because this is our clone. And look what it did to other ones. Of course, I'm making it more ugly by the second. And a lot of times when you do that, you got to make sure you still got a line. And then, you know, from a distance, it does look bad. And then take it all and see that circle stopped us from welding. Well, it still stopped us from welding. I'm going to have to go and break the 13 objects apart. And by welding it, you got rid of that intersection right there. And now you can take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in and have a completely different, I don't like that, but you get the idea. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody a little bit. Thank you for watching.